All right, here's another example of graphing a system of inequalities. And as you can see, our system is already in slope-intercept form. And so let's go ahead and let's draw the lines. And then we will graph and shade, okay? So starting with the top equation, okay, I'm going to come over here. I'm going to grab this pencil. And according to this equation, the y-intercept is 4. So I'm going to put a point at 4. And the slope is 3. So from this point, I would count 3 spaces up and 1 space to the right and put a point. Now I'm going to come over here and I'm going to grab the line feature and I'm going to just attach it to those points. Now, do I want a solid line for this? The inequality is a greater than or equal to, so yes, I want a solid line. And now let's go ahead and look at the next equation. The next one, the y-intercept, is -3. So I'm going to go to -3 and put a point. And the slope is -4. So from here, I would go down 4 spaces and then to the right 1 space. I'm going to come over here, grab my line, and I'm going to attach it to those 2 points. Now this line has to be dashed because it is just less than, it is not equal to. So using this right here, I'm going to touch this line and make it dashed. Okay. All right. Let's shade. So looking at the first line we drew, the solid line, we have a greater than symbol, which means we need to be above it. So we need to either be in this section or in this section, because those 2 sections are above the solid line. Let's look at the other equation. It's a less than. So less than is below this dashed line. And so which area is below the dashed line? Well, this area is below the dashed line. So that means I don't want this area shaded. This is the area where our solutions are. And that would be the answer to the question. This is the graph. Let's go ahead and press check. And there it is. We got it correct.